Train 369 arriving Lafayette 2, hold Lafayette Station reback.
829, go ahead.
9, your reback is correct. Time is 16:42. Radio check on your portable. Let's head back to car number 4183. There was a report of some possible smoke. Let me know what you see, please. 16:42. 781, come into Lafayette Platform 1. Take a look over to the train on Platform 2. Let me know if you see any smoke at all.
150. Radio check.
369, you're 10-2, help me.
That's all on. That's a platform. 10-2, also I'm on the platform, making my way back to Charlie.
10-4. 10-4, from Trail E, car 4183. Let me know what you see, please.
Tom 10, I'm fixed.
And operator of the 369.
Go ahead.
You want 369, we're getting multiple reports of cars. If you could just check the entire consist, just do a quick walkthrough from the inside on all the cars, and let me know if you see anything, please.
Well, I just got to car 4101, and there's definitely some smoke coming from this car. There's a fire in the coupler assembly.
Copy.
I'm 781, I'm negative, I don't see anything.
781, 10-4, thank you.
Is there a CSO available for...
And 369, hold Lafayette Station, key off, reback.
25.
I'm going to return to the lead car, but 369, hold Lafayette key off.
1.25, Walnut Creek.
369, your reback is correct. Time 16:45. We're dropping power under your train.
We got a patron for you.
Central Charlie 11 and Charlie 49 near Walnut Creek en route. 35, copy. You got fire en route as a precaution.
Right, sir.
10-4, thank you.
25, copy.
And 369, new call sign 950, sweep the rain out of service. 16:46 is the time.
369, 950, 10-4.
829, you tell the
On the Concord Yard end of the train.
For units around for Lafayette, Central advised that it's a collector issue. There's no need for fire, but they are sweeping the train out of service.
950, 10-4.
And 950, operator, any update on that fire in the coupler assembly? Has it dissipated?
I would have to go back to that car, but it had not. But
Train at Daly City, 10-4, let's go back and check it out.
Yeah, copy 369.
that was the only one I saw.
And hold 371 at Walnut Creek 2, new call sign 383. You'll be making your own turn there back to Bay Point. Let me know once you're back on the Bay Point end of the train.
371, Walnut Creek 2.
Central 950 operators, no other cars with issues, but 4101 has not dissipated. It is still ignited.
Would you feel comfortable using the extinguisher to try and spray it?
Yeah.
10-4.
And is it coming from under the car?
Under the car, on the side of the coupler assembly, in between the platform and the train.
2-way 14.
2-boy 14.
10-4, let's go ahead and try to use the extinguisher to extinguish it.
14 will be 1148.
10-4, the train 950 is currently on Lafayette Platform 2. The affected car is 4101 mid-consist. The operator is currently with that car.
There's no E.
Central 950, the fire is out. Got a little more smoke, but the fire is out.
10-4.
10-4, thank you, 950. And 9383, I copy.
Boy 23.
And Central Charlie 11, car 4101, the operator, he was able to extinguish the flames.
10-4. And do we have any more information about where it was coming from?
11, does it look like it's good to move? And now we're going to be powering up if it is.
True.
The affected train has been evacuated.
True.
Central Charlie 14 on scene in Lafayette.
Charlie 14, 10-4, thank you.
950, you on the talk group?
On the Concord Yard end.
10-4, Charlie 14, are you supervisors, are you still in the car? On the car.
Running platform.
10-4, we just powered up the car. Let me know if anything changes, if it starts smoking again, so we can drop power.
Got it.
And Charlie 11, if you could stand by with the operator, please, Charlie 11.
Central 10-4, you want me to head back up to the north end to stand by with the operator? 'Cause that's where he's at, on the Walnut Creek end.
Abram, we need one supervisor with the operator and one supervisor at the affected car.
Central Charlie 11, this collector shoe is starting to seal up again since you powered up.
10-4, we're dropping power right now.
373 Pleasant Hill, 23